Hey there, CryptoQ Media. I'm glad you decided to check out my channel again. The issue is that I need more time to talk about as the film comes to a close. We unveil a number of significant XRP and Repulsion developments. In case you enjoy discussing Ripple and XRP, please like the video, share it, and let others know about the amazing buying opportunities for XRP that are happening right now as part of this digital revolution. Not long ago, XRP's price plummeted to 39 cents. Incredible worth, if you're thinking about the potential uses for this digital asset. I know I bought several, so if you utilize these depths, please tell me in the comments. Knowing when these dips happen allows us to investigate what causes them. What is causing these drops? Market panic ensued after the German government sold massive quantities of Bitcoin, as I'm sure many of you are aware. If we look at the Greed and Terror Index, we can see this clearly. That is fantastic news because yesterday was their best sales day ever. They liquidated most of their Bitcoin assets yesterday. And they're already down to about 50% of their original amount. The good news that their ETF applications have submitted updates as one's got us going for the day. Overall, this bodes well for the market, and sales are continuing. Great news for all coins like XRP, as the market is not nearly as afraid due to the evident selling pressure from the German government. As an added bonus, we are home to the biggest stock exchange in Australia. Bitcoin ETF that came in second and was approved by the ASX, Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell says there is no evidence of an increase in inflation or confidence based on the statistics. In order for the Federal Reserve to cut interest rates, which, obviously, we expect that to have a far larger share of the market than we do now. We will check financial dealings, but don't worry, folks, around 5 days ago, on Wednesday, the Basel Committee on Banking Supervision passed new guidelines and a disclosure system for banks' cryptocurrency holdings. According to the BCBS survey, major banks are obviously increasing their investment in Ripple. We do not see a lot of growth on the XRPL. My friend, that is absolutely false. Significant headway has been achieved. The number of developers has increased dramatically. Moreover, the same things that have happened in recent years are bound to happen when the SEC is monitoring suppression. I have some fantastic news regarding Ripple and XRP to give now that we have covered everything. But first, I'd like to tell you about some of the things we've accomplished. A total of 52,103,963 XRP were found. Nance was also made aware of a Ripple transaction involving the transfer of 150 million XRP, or little over $64 million to an anonymous wallet. Could there be a Ripple-like colony somewhere out there? Following the most recent judgment from the court, which partially granted and partially denied the petition of summary judgment, the court has set deadlines for hearings and motions in the Ripple XRP litigation, according to latest reports. The district court has appointed a settlement panel to review the matter and set a date for the motions. By determining that XRP programmed sales are not securities, the judge has clearly taken an indirect position in support of Ripple, and the court has assigned dates for following motions. People are starting to speculate that this could be the month things start to pick up speed, so it's making for interesting reading, folks. In light of what transpired in the Binance scenario, we know how to speed things up. In an administrative maneuver, the XRP litigation parties are requesting a stay of the judge's orders. Last night, the latest updates on the Rippling class action lawsuit were announced. Instead of going to court, the parties have already decided to file administratively. There will be further hearings and motions in July, and a judge in the district court just ordered that a reduced application to seal must be filed by Monday. Through the judge's summary judgment, RIL is currently informing Judge Torres that the programmatic buyer's reasoning is relevant to the entire case. Things are becoming more intense. I believe the SEC is currently experiencing a great deal of stress. In my opinion, the SEC's punishments will be significantly lower than the $2 billion they sought in the event of a guilty verdict. It is my firm belief that the SEC has been entirely vanquished. I expect the market to respond similarly to what happened in July after we won a major victory with XRP's non-security designation when this lawsuit concludes. I think XRP will start to gather steam, have an initial price spike, and then see some price movement in the future. I have little faith in financial advisors. I think more and more people will start to see XRP for what it really is, one of the world's top digital assets. Being a part of it makes me pleased and proud. The XRPL token is part of the XR platform and is supported by Ripple, a software and blockchain business. In order to promote growth in the APAC region, Ripple has lately invested $1 billion. This magnificent creature will continue to expand as time goes on. If you're new to my channel and have just subscribed, I appreciate it. Later, I will see you.